if you want to separate your laptop screen from the touchpad, maybe you want to change the screen or you want to change just the touchpad, any of them, you need expensive equipment to do this. But I'm going to show you local way, that the way they do it here in Nigeria, local repair shops. So even though I couldn't record all the video, but I hope you get the point. They use some kind of wire to attach to the top of the screen, to start separating it, and then they start heating up the screen, back and forth, heating up the screen while they are using the wire to kind of separate the screen gradually. And once this is done, there is gum. You can see there's gum on the screen, the gum that is holding the screen and the touchpad. So we're going to use rubbing alcohol to clean the screen, clean off the gums, or we are still going to use you can use gasoline to clean it. And once you clean everything carefully, you can now replace the new touchpad that you bought. And the touchpad you're going to buy comes with liquid gum that you're going to apply on the screen, then compress it. So you don't need special equipment for this, just the heat gun and a tiny piece of wire, and gradually you're going to separate the screen from the touchpad. That's how it's done. So subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.